That looks delish. Mo, you need to start taking orders.
Wow! I can't stop drooling! Well done, Mo!
Mo, you've outdone yourself. You're a champ.
Are you guys seeing the love I'm getting for my chocolate tart? That's amazing!
What about these people though?
Wow! People praise anything they see online. This tart looks so bad.
I'm sure it tastes as bad as it looks.
Wow, not looking good.
Well, there are always some negative comments. You can't please everyone, right? Ignore them. There are always a few of those. Oh my God! It's full of negative comments. Everyone is trolling me.
Mo Baker. No, it's more like Mo Faker. She probably stole this photo from someone else's account.
That tart looks like it was made using stale ingredients. Yuck.
Everyone seems to think they're a baker these days. Hashtag bake fail. Hashtag EU.
This is awful. How can people be so cruel?
They are just commenting without thinking.
You need to give it back to these trolls. You can't let them spread lies. Tell them to get a life.
You will do no such thing.
But why?
Because it will only encourage more trolling.
Mina, you can't let these people get away with such behavior.
Ina, all of you, calm down and listen to me. Have you heard of It's Cool to Be Kind?
What's that?
It's one of the ways you can be internet awesome. I learnt about it on Google's Interland game. It means we should always try to use the internet to spread positivity. Make sure that we stop the spread of harmful or untrue messages and respect each other's differences.
But Mina, most trolls are doing the exact opposite of this. Isn't that why we should stop them?
We should. But if we start fighting with them online, it will only lead to more negativity. We need to find an effective way to stop them. Maybe even educate them.
And how do we do that?
First off, if someone is trying to bully you online, block them. Sometimes it's just not enough to block. We should also report bullies in order to prevent them from causing harm. Also, if someone around you is being bullied, make sure you are supportive and help them cope with the stress they are facing.
Okay, Mina. That does sound like the right thing to do. I'll follow your advice.
Good girl.
Oh no! Now there are even more trolls attacking my page.
Mo, did you see? The trolls have increased. We need to do something.
But Mina said...
Forget what Mina said. It's important to stand up for yourself. We'll show those trolls who's boss.
Alright, I'll do it. I'll teach these people a lesson.
Oh, wow! You go, girl.
Ina, Mina, look! Our plan backfired. After seeing my replies, now my fans are cancelling me.
There, Mo. It'll be alright.
We just need to change strategies.
Yeah. Listen to Ina, Mo. After all, she's a genuine social media influencer.
We just need to think creatively. Okay, everyone loves memes, right? So we'll make some memes about your trolls. This way, your followers will know how funny you are and your trolls will be too embarrassed to say anything.
Brilliant! You killed two birds with one meme. Genius!
Are you sure?
Yes!
My God! Why does this keep happening?
What happened? Are you okay?
It's all because of your advice. Now people think I'm mean-spirited, a bad baker, and unfunny. Thanks, you guys. Stop blaming us.
We should never have helped you.
It's your fault.
Oof! Why all the shouting?
It's nothing, Mina. Mo, let's forget what happened. I was thinking maybe you can do a live stream. No,
No live streams. No more advice from the two of you. You've done enough damage. But stop! I should have just listened to Mina from the start. Mina, please help!
There, Mo. We will figure it out. Like I said, we need to spread positivity, avoid making or spreading hurtful comments, and respect each other's differences. First things first, let's block the trolls and report them. Together?
Okay, Mina. Together.
Yeah, sorry, Mo.
It's okay. It's my fault as well. I got carried away as well. Blocked.
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 And reported.
I'm actually enjoying this. It's a lot of fun to block trolls.
Yeah, I just wish we could see their reactions when their accounts get blocked.
You know what? I'm feeling quite inspired right now. I'm going to bake a lemon tart and post about it on my profile.
That looks quite delicious. Maybe I was too quick to judge earlier. Hashtag bake winner. Hashtag yummy.
Hey Mo, your lemon tart post went viral. Yeah, I did. In fact, some of my trolls have become fans as well.
I guess Mina was right, huh? It is definitely much cooler to be kind.
And for those who still don't learn, blocking and reporting is sweet revenge.
Way to be internet awesome, Mo.
The internet is a very powerful tool that can be used to spread positivity or negativity. You have to learn to take the high road and treat others as you would like to be treated when it comes to online behavior. This can go a long way in creating a positive impact for others and discouraging bullies. Set an example for others by using the power of the internet to spread positivity and respecting others' differences. Stop the spread of harmful or untrue messages by not passing them on to others. Take action when you see inappropriate behavior online by either blocking unwanted comments or reporting mean-spirited individuals. Stand up and support those being bullied and encourage your friends to do the same and report online bullying as well.
For more Be Internet awesome tips, visit Interland today.